Former WWE star Jim The Anvil Neidhart has died, WWE confirmed Monday. He was 63. Neidhart died after suffering a medical emergency, according to TMZ. Former wrestler and one half of the Killer Bees tag team, Brian Blair shared the news on Twitter. "So sad to announce the passing of my friend and longtime colleague, Jim The Anvil Neidhart. Your thoughts and prayers for the family are deeply appreciated," he wrote. Neidhart was the founding member of the Notorious Hart Foundation faction, which included Bret Hart, his brother-in-law. Neidhart became a pro wrestler in 1979 after training with the legendary Stu Hart in Canada. He also appeared in preseason NFL games with the Raiders and Cowboys. The Florida native has 3 children, including former women's champion Natalya Neidhart. The two have appeared together in a few episodes of Total Divas on E! Reaction poured in on Twitter as Neidhart's death was announced. Neidhart never won the World Heavyweight Championship with WWE, but was a 2-time tag team champion.